So, I have to make this intro really fast, but it is like 2:45 right now, and I'm about to leave. Alexis is picking me up. Now I'm about to go to like this to her grandma's house, and we're gonna do fireworks and stuff. But today is the 4th of July, and yeah, so happy 4th of July to everybody. And yeah, so I'm about to leave. I'm just packing my stuff. Louie, you want to say hi? There you are. Happy 4th of July, pup. Happy 4th of July. Yeah, I gave him a bath earlier. So it is 2:50. I'm just waiting for her to come. And then I'm gonna leave, and I'm bringing my softball gloves so we can play catch and stuff. And yeah, someone put my camera away, so I will see you guys when I'm there, maybe, or in the car, I don't know, but yeah. Oh, and by the way, I'm just wearing shorts with a pink shirt, and then my hair is curled, and this purse, so yeah. Wow, pretty. So we're doing fireworks right now. We're at, oh my god, we're at our grandma's house, and we have like assorted color smoke balls. These like thingies. Show them how these work. They're called jumping jacks.
Yeah, take off the
Jumping jacks.
the wrapping. The jumping jacks. Oh, they're all falling off. Okay.
So they look like this, like little tiny dynamites. And then you use this sticky thing. Don't know what that is. A punk?
Yeah.
And you light it up. And then you throw it. And then they do that.
Oh, that one's
It's not really that big, but it just makes little.
Here we are.
And then we're gonna show you these loud ones.
Called whistlers.
At night, can you see them?
Mm-mm. But we have the bigger ones that you can't see.
They're whistlers.
Wait.
And then yep, that's a whistler. You can't tell. That looks cool. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's cool.
Oh man, you smell.
Oh shit! That lady squished it. Pretty. Throw it. I'm not holding them anymore because I burned myself. Look how cool. Look how cool that is. Now we're sitting under this swing because it's hot. And yeah, that's what we're doing. And it's 3:52. And there's all these fireworks here. We got these.
Well, we can't blow these up until later. Oh, well, I mean,
whistling ones. Don't know. Whistling. Oh dang. Gold sparklers. I can't wait for these. I love sparklers.
These are sparklers too.
Ooh, these are. Oh yeah, Kristen had these at her party. These, and then that's it. So we are watching the fireworks right now, and they're really pretty. And here's Bucket.
Whoa, you just missed like 2 huge ones.
Aw, dang!
Keep watching. They're probably getting ready to do another one.
Let me stop this one. No. Oh, there we go. Okay, well, I got bad luck, so BRB. Oh! Oh my god! They're coming from all angles. Holy poo! This is an amazing moment. So we're watching fireworks, and here comes your dad. He's coming, and we're all, ooh. That one was so pretty!
Yeah. Are we gonna blow up some big ones?
We're gonna blow some more up. We're gonna blow some
Of our own
our own big fireworks up. Whoa! Whoa! That was cool. That was loud.
You wanna sit up there after?
Mm-hmm.
We blow up.
Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Oh!
Ah!
Oh! That was so cool. Okay, another one. That was the first big one of the night. We did sparklers earlier, but not big ones. These.
You have more? Dad, there's a whole bunch left.
Yeah.
Oh, we got like a whole bunch left.
Oh, that was so pretty. Cool.
I think my ear. You want to do it?
Maddie's turn.
Sure.
Yeah, ready? Okay, here she goes. What are you doing?
Right at the end of
Okay,
it.
hope.
It's a, that wick is, it burns so.
You mean to burn slow? You're slower than I am. Ow, my ear!
Oh, you're right. The bomb sounds like.
Want to try the other one?
Wait.
Sorry, my ear was momentarily.
That was loud. Imagine what a bomb sounds like, or a shooting. Look at these. The neighbors. That's cool. This is what is this called?
A punk.
A punk. It's like a lighter, but it's not actual fire. Wait, let me. Yeah, it's cool.
It smells like incense.
Okay.
I'll light mine first.
Wait, where's the?
Guys, be careful.
Ready?
Wait, do it at the end. Okay, hurry, light first.
Oh, I can't. I don't want to get. Oh! Cool. Okay, now let me do mine. Can't see. Pretty. Come on. Oh! This one's small. Ooh. That was good. Can I light the second one? Alright. Ready for this? She has to put a light because I'm
You
blind.
got enough time to run, okay? Flick it.
Wait.
Like that. I don't know where I put the other one. Oh, snap.
Okay, and now time for the big one.
Dad, you ready for
Here you go. Okay. This is scary. Alexis.
Come in here.
Where?
Over here.
Whoa. This is dark. I can't see anything.
No.
Whoa. This is. Stop.
Ready? Big
This
one.
is the big finale, the huge one.
This is the one where it blows a hole.
Ready, guys? You ready for this? This is the big finale. Gotta record this. It'll be a good one. we're ready. Look at everyone blowing up. That kicked his water. Huh? His water.
Oh.
There's a big.
Here, let me get behind you.
Put your flash on. No, I can't.
Here, hold on. Let me turn and see. Do you see it better like that?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get you. Oh, no! There's a...
Whoa. Oh, so pretty.
That it?
Is that it?
That it?
I thought there was more.
Can we get another one?
Okay, so ignore the noise, but now we are just doing sparklers, like regular ones, because we did all of the big fireworks already, and it is 10:40. So yeah, that's what's going on. We just got these sparklers.
These are the gold ones.
I want to use the gold ones first.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, I remember these.
Okay. Oh, these are cool. I remember
Those are pretty.
Hey, after you guys do that, you guys can go upstairs if you want. You guys want to go upstairs?
This is pretty.
Yeah.
Excuse me, let's open this. Here's guys are shorts.
These are pretty. They're prettier than the other ones.
How does that look?
Oh, that's pretty. Wait, so we're gonna pass out some fireworks to some little kids.
Fireworks, if your kids want them, there's sparklers and bottle rockets. Not there now.
Where?
No, we don't want them. Extra fireworks. There's sparklers and bottle rockets. There's sparklers and
Okay.
we're done.
Whoa! Okay, so we are on the roof, well, like the balcony of the second floor. Whoa! We got a good view of everything up here. I'm not. Get a good view of everything up here. So yeah, I have like no memory and my camera's about to die, so bye. Thanks for watching. Good 4th of July, right? We're just sitting here. So yeah.